Master of Ceremonies, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. 113 years is quite a feat. Bulabinaka, and good morning to you all. I stand before you today as the Minister for Youth and Sports, both honored and excited to be at the launch of the Vodafone Suva Open. This prestigious event marks the beginning of the annual tennis tournament, which not only showcases the talents of our athletes, but also serves as a platform to promote and encourage youth participation in sports. I would like to extend my gratitude to the Suva Tennis Association for organizing this tournament, and to Vodafone for their support in coming on board and being the major sponsor of the event. This again is a testament of your continued support of sports development in Fiji, and more so in this instance for the sport of tennis. And events like these allow us to discover and nurture potential stars of the sport. The Vodafone Suva Open, scheduled to take place from 29th September to 2nd October 2023, has garnered great anticipation. We are expecting over 120 players from Fiji and the Oceania region to participate, making it a true melting pot of talent and competition. Notably, this tournament holds even greater significance as we approach the Pacific Games in the Solomon Islands in November. Fiji will be represented across a range of sports, and events like the Vodafone Suva Open allows us to highlight our prowess in tennis. It gives us the chance to develop and showcase Fiji's sporting talent, not only for present glory, but for future games as well. Youth participation is the heart and soul of any sporting event, and it is our responsibility to provide opportunities for young men and women to excel in their chosen fields. Through this tournament, we hope to inspire and motivate aspiring tennis players to dream big and reach for the stars. It is crucial that we invest in our youth and provide them with the resources and encouragement they need to succeed. Ladies and gentlemen, sports play a significant role in shaping our nation, fostering unity and promoting a healthy lifestyle. The government is committed to supporting sporting initiatives and providing the necessary infrastructure and training programs to propel our athletes to greater heights. We firmly believe that through sports, we can shape a brighter and more prosperous future for Fiji. I encourage all participants to embrace the spirit of healthy competition, fair play, and sportsmanship. The Vodafone Suva Open is not just about winning, it is also about forging new friendships, building character, and discovering one's full potential. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, and the skills and experiences gained on and off the court will shape our future endeavors. I would like to conclude by expressing my sincerest best wishes to all the players, coaches and officials involved in the Vodafone Suva Open. Let us continue to support and nurture the sport of tennis, providing opportunities for our players to excel and represent Fiji on the global stage. With our collective efforts, we can elevate to new heights and inspire our future generations to embrace this beautiful sport. May this tournament be a resounding success, and may it serve as a stepping stone for our talented youth to shine on the regional and international stage. With that, I thank you once more, Vinawalevu, and best of luck to all participants.